when we move to network analytics on a 5G network, we're going to be looking at a different stack from an analytics perspective and from an automation perspective. You know, because these two now need to work directly in tandem and ideally without putting a human operator into the loop. I think initially operators will do that as they build trust, as Tilly mentioned earlier. But, you know, I think once there's trust built, you know, you can let the network kind of drive itself. And again, Naresh, you want to comment on it? Then maybe Andrew or Tilly, you might have some thoughts on this as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I think, you know, now from your earlier slides, now 3GPP has mandated a specific standard network data analytics function as part of the 5G SA architecture. So that being said, it's part of the call flow. So it's basically you're talking about orchestration. Dynamically, you're able to shrink and grow your network, or maybe you're able to manage the subscriber expectation, the QoEs. So obviously there is an expectation. It needs to be an intelligently driven, not a heuristic approach. Like I cannot just simply say, okay, if my CPU goes about like 70%, 80%, go spin up another control function. That's not the way it works anymore. So it has to be dynamically, you know, built a machine learning model, and basically you would like to understand, predict the network behavior, subscriber behavior, marry the subscriber behavior to the network topology, and maybe marry the network anomalies back to the subscriber, right? I think that's very important. So that's one of the fundamental reason why AI/ML will be an instrumental piece of 5G networks.
Andrew, you have anything to add to that?
Yes, I mean, this is very much in line with what I was talking about before, where the analytics is baked in. So not only is it used by the other by the signaling flow, by the core network functions, but by also available for all of the surround functions, for the operations administration and management, for the management data analytics services, orchestration, and others. And this it's simply going to be necessary in order to scale up to the kind of complexity and customization that the consumer, I don't mean the enterprise consumer that's going to utilize and pay for these services, they're going to want to be able to consume these services in complex ways, and it's going to change over time. And I don't just mean slowly over time, it change throughout the day, through the course of the week, as their operations need. Just like the enterprise, we're all used to being able to customize a lot of what we're consuming from digital service providers and other environments. There's no reason that the enterprise shouldn't be enabled to do this for their communication services, and that's really the promise that 5G holds, and it's enabled and delivered through analytics and automation.